It'll work. Of course it'll work. Boom. Oh my gosh. Alright. Even smaller. Felt the eyebrow. Hey, beautiful. Hello, entities of planet Earth. I'm making this video today because I have nothing else to do. I have so much to do, but I just had to make this video. Just, you know, my instincts told me so. Anyways, what am I going to talk about? Today, I'm not gonna lie, this is the second time making the same video, or making the video, because what did I do first time? The camera was in the wrong way. Yes, wrong way. And I just thought that wouldn't be no problem. But then I thought, everyone wants to watch my beautiful, cool, handsome face. So I need to redo the video. And now, I don't know what to say. So, I'm gonna throw some gang signs. I'm so unemployed, dude. Let's just talk about how perfect I am, you know? What else can we talk about, you know? People want to talk about politics, talk about how nice the weather is, you know, small talk. That's boring. We should talk about myself. We should talk about how perfect I am. How much in love I am with myself. Okay. First of all, I love myself. I love what makes me happy every single day, knowing that I am alive. That's all I need. Just knowing that I'm one with myself. God's watching. Then life's good. Do I have a lot of goals in life? Yes, I do. Do you guys care about that? No. Okay. Somebody's watching the video. I'm looking at a camera, but thousands of people are watching this video. Alright, what do I say? I should be working right now. Instead of making this video. Who am I? My name is Nabhan Rahman. I don't even know how to pronounce my name, but my name is magnificent. I love my name. Let's try to say it in Arabic. Nabhan Rahman. That's valid. My name is Nabhan Rahman, and I am the guy. Oh, this is a very boring video, dude. There's no way somebody's watching all this way. Okay. I really do like food, you know? I'm a real fat ass. Like, I'm the only, like, I can smell food from, like, crazy distances, you know? I'm in school, and, wait, my mom's calling. There's nobody's going to watch this video, dude. They might. Yeah, maybe you're so unemployed that you watch this whole video. Get to work, bro. My English pronunciation is very bad. Yeah, okay, I'll make this a video. I'll change the video topic. You know, my brain is just so smart, you know, it thinks so fast that my mouth can't comprehend it. So I'm thinking like 300 words per minute, but my mouth is talking 150 words per minute, so I can't make it align. So I should read. You see, I should keep making videos so I can talk very fast, and that's my excuse for making this video, because this was a very waste of time. I have a lot of stuff to do. Okay, talking to this camera because it doesn't really feel like I'm talking to anyone, because this video is gonna get 0 views in the next months, because it's not gonna get any views. I don't think it's gonna get any views because it's so boring. What am I talking about? Holy shit. Let's say a very funny story. No, I don't have any funny stories. Oh lord.